achou?
Procurando e não encontramos.
Foi ele que colocou, não foi você?
Tem que vir de dia. Mas eu faço nada.
Hey Lee, we are searching for your padlock.
E foi desse lado aí do poste.
Se eu colocasse, eu ia colocar lá no primeiro, pra não ter erro, lá no comecinho mesmo, então no final.
Amor, it's a bit difficult to find in the evening, especially because I am not sure if it was in this post lump or in that lump there. So, I'm gonna look for again in that other one, because I think it's lighter than here. Otherwise, I'll have to come back tomorrow, or we're going to have to come back here together. So I'll have to watch the video.
Maybe
to
somebody.
know actually where was it, but I'm quite sure it was in this one.
Maybe-
But look,
Maybe
For the light.
somebody could turn it to the other side.
yes, somebody could have put this to here. Look, Suzanne, look here. How many are in this side already? So if they have turned to here, it's gonna be difficult for me to find during the night. Cisne, olha aqui o tanto que ele